we are going to discuss capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab. In this derivation, let us consider a parallel plate capacitor having charges plus minus q on its plates. Separation between the plates is small d and plate area is A. Let an electric and dielectric slab of thickness T is placed in between the space of capacitor. Then, when dielectric slab is inserted between the plates, then dielectric slab will polarize and its surface near to positive plate or its face near to positive capacitor plate will attain negative charge, and the surface which is near to negative plate will attain a positive charges. Dielectric field between the plates outside the dielectric, let it is E0, and electric field due to plate or due to polarization is opposite to the E0, and therefore net field inside dielectric will be equal to vector E equal to E0 minus EP. Let capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric slab, when slab is not inserted between the capacitor plate, then its capacitance is given by C0 equal to epsilon 0 A by D, where the symbols have their usual meanings. Epsilon naught permittivity of free space, A plate area, D separation, C0 capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when air is in between the plates. A condition is given here, we already know this. Thickness of slab is less than the separation between the plates, means a portion of a space between the plates is filled with dielectric. Then net or effective field inside the dielectric is given by E, here it is right as vector E equal to E0 minus EP. If we relate it with potential difference, then potential difference between the two plates is given as B equal to E into D. ऐसा ये फार्मूला होता है, और E इक्वल टू B बाई D या B इक्वल टू ED, इस फार्मूले को यूज करेंगे. V इक्वल टू E0 is the field lies outside the dielectric slab, while E is the field lies inside the dielectric slab, and therefore B equal to potential difference between the plates is maybe written as B equal to E0. E0 किस स्पेस में लाई कर रहा है, तो T को छोड़कर बाकी हर जगह E0 लाई कर रहा है, मीन्स E0 D माइनस T प्लस. अब E0 कहाँ नहीं लाई कर रहा है, तो जहां E0 नहीं लाई कर रहा है वहां इफेक्टिव फील्ड E लाई कर रही है, और ये हो जाएगा E इंटू T. B इक्वल टू ED, तो E0 D माइनस T डिस्टेंस में ओबे हो रही है या अप्लाई हो रही है, और E माने इफेक्टिव फील्ड वो T थिकनेस में अप्लाई हो रही है. बट if we define relative permittivity or dielectric constant with respect to electric field, then we get E0 by E equal to epsilon naught or K, and therefore K equal to E0 by E, or E equal to E0 by K. That is, we can write E equal to E0 by K in the above equation, and therefore V equal to E0 D minus T plus E0 by K into T. Taking E0 common, we have E0 D minus T plus T by K. But E0, that is इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन द प्लेट्स. इसे जब पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के लिए फॉर्मूला डिराइव कर रहे थे विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब, तो वहां डिराइव किया है. तो E0 इक्वल टू सिग्मा बाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. सिग्मा बाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, सिग्मा इक्वल टू Q चार्ज डेंसिटी. चार्ज डेंसिटी मीन्स चार्ज per unit area, Q by A epsilon naught. On putting the value of E0 in this equation, we have Q by epsilon naught A D minus T plus T by K. This is equation 2. Now capacitance. Ultimately, we want to find the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with slab or containing slab between its plate. Therefore, capacitance of a capacitor is given by C equal to Q by V. But equation 2 gives potential as C equal to Q by Q upon epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K upon epsilon naught A. epsilon naught A न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा, A Q से Q कैंसिल हुआ. C इक्वल टू epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T by K. This is the expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab between its plates. From above equation, C equal to epsilon 0 A D minus T plus T by K, it is clear that on introduction of dielectric slab between the plates of a capacitor, its capacitance increases. Case 1, if special case, if T equal to D, that is, if dielectric slab or dielectric is filled between the plates of capacitor up to thickness D, that is, entire space between the plates is filled with dielectrics, then C equal to epsilon 0 A upon D minus D plus D by K. Now D कैंसल, 0 हो जाएगा और ये आ जाएगा C इक्वल टू epsilon 0 A by D upon K. ये आ जाएगा K and K epsilon 0 A by D. But epsilon 0 A by D is the capacitance of the same capacitor when air is filled between the plates, and therefore K equal to C equal to KC0. That is, capacitance of a capacitor increases dielectric constant times its original capacitance.